Welcome, here I've got RugGear RG655 and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera pro mode at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode, so to change it we have to slide to the left to get access to other modes of this camera, and here we have to pick the professional one. Here we are. This mode gives us possibilities to choose some shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photographic skills or make experiments with photography. So let me start with this settings bar. Let's go from the right. The first one button here allows us to control the white balance of our picture, so the temperature. And as you can see we have this slider and we can pick between the auto white balance, which is now, or incandescent light, daylight, fluorescent light, and the twilight, so it depends from the light we have in the area where we take a photo. Now let's stay on the auto and move to the second button. Here we have the exposure compensation option, so we can manage the light of our picture. By going to the right we can make it more bright, as you can see, and by going to the left we can make it more dark as we need. At the center we have 0 parameter, so now we are again on auto exposure compensation. Let's move to the next one button, anti-flicker. Here we can control some blinking and flickering the light in different sources, so it should help us to taking better photos also, and we can pick this on the auto, we can turn it off or pick between 50 and 60 Hz. Now let's stay on the auto and move to the ISO, the next one button, and here we can control the camera's sensitivity to light. We can make it less sensitive from 100, and by going to the right more sensitive to 3 and 2000 of it, so I think the spectrum is really wide like this kind of camera. And of course at the beginning of the slider we have auto ISO, so there's no problem to go back to auto settings. And now let me use these settings to take a picture. So for example, let me stay on ISO here, the flickering might be here, a little bit brighter, and incandescent light. To see my photo, let's move to the left to this button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how it looks like. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.